Okay, guys. I don't know why this page fell out of my journal. It makes me sad. Okay. So, glad I don't have hiccups today as we're trying to finish this problem. All right, so we're going to do our plan, our solve, and our check today. So, for our plan, since this is a multiplication problem and is a big multiplication problem, you're not going to draw a strip diagram. Otherwise, you would have to draw 24 little bitty boxes and write the number 48 in every single one of them to show multiplication on a strip diagram. And that is too much. We're not going to do that. So we're just going to write a good number sentence, and then our model will be down here as we do our area model. Okay? So our number sentence is going to be 24 boxes times 48 in each is going to tell me, I'm going to put C for crayons. That will be my variable in this problem. So I'm going to come down here for my solve, and I'm going to go ahead and draw my area model. This will be our picture. Okay, and then I have 20 plus 4 and 40 plus 8. So remember, 20 goes down, down, down. And then the 4 goes down, down, down. Now, the 40 is going to slide all the way across to both boxes. And the 8 is going to slide all the way across to both boxes. Now I'm ready to multiply and get my partial products. 4 times 2 is 8. Mark off the zeros and move them both down. I'm going to go ahead and write that over here. 4 times 4 is 16. Mark off the 0 and move it down. 8 times 2 is 16. Mark off the 0 and move it down. 8 times 4 is 32. And I'm going to add these up. 2. That's 12, 13, 14, 15. 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, 1,152 crayons. That's a lot of crayons. So why did I add, or why did I multiply? Let's write a reason over here to justify our answer. So I multiplied because. All right, so we knew we needed to know the total amount of individual crayons, plus we had the word each as a clue. So I multiplied because it said each, and I needed to find the total crayons. And anytime you're looking for a total, it's multiplication or addition. And we could have added, but we would have had to add 48 24 times, and that's too difficult. So we use multiplication instead. All right, guys, that is it on our problem solving.